Hi friends, let's get started with switching on the hpsmarttank 760. So you need to go to the menu. From menu you need to scroll down, come to tools. Once you go into the tools, go to the maintenance. Once in the maintenance, you can go to store setting. Then you need to select restore factory defaults to make it all factory default. To select the factory defaults, click on OK, and it will be restoring the printer. Automatically restarts. After the restart, you can connect it to any new network.